guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about the new Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer. This is it right here. I just got the package yesterday and I'm so excited. I've been loving creamy products lately, like a cream bronzer, a cream blush. I feel like when you want to achieve that dewy look, that's the key, to not really use so much powdered products. If you just stick with like a cream base product, then it's so much easier for you to get that dewy look. So before I get into that, I've been wanting to share with you guys some of my go-to things to really achieve the dewy look. And the way to do that is by obviously taking care of your skin. You need to have good skin to have your makeup look really good. The other thing that I always do, I do this about maybe like once a week, or just kind of like whenever my peach fuzz grows out. I always shave my face. So I use this kind of shaver right here. It's an eyebrow shaver. So I do this especially when I'm doing a dewy look and I want my skin to just look really glowy. I feel like you have to have a really smooth face to do it. So I already did it a couple days ago, so I'm not going to do it again because I don't want to irritate my skin. But yeah, you just will like stretch your skin out and just slowly, you'll just get it off, especially on your cheek where you want it to look really highlighted and creamy. That's where you should like really focus. This is also a product that I tried about a month ago, and you guys, I'm so obsessed with it. It's the Versali Liquid Glass. I cannot not use this if I'm doing a dewy look. I have to have this under my foundation. I need to get another one because I'm almost out. The second thing that I do to really get my foundation to look dewy, because I don't really like dewy foundation, I like a matte full coverage. I feel like I have to just kind of create that by myself. So I use this Wet n Wild. It's the Mega Glow liquid highlighter. It looks like this. This is how it looks. So I know that it's a highlighter, and I know that you're supposed to put it, you know, over your foundation and everything like that. But I actually put this, after I use this for Versali Liquid Glass, I'll go and put this on all the parts that I want to look really highlighted and dewy. So I'll like put it all over my cheeks, on the sides of my forehead, and then I'll blend it in and put my foundation over, and it's like my new favorite thing to do. I kind of just started doing that like a little over a month ago, so I wanted to update you guys on what I do. So let's get into this Fenty Beauty. I'm so excited, you guys. So I've been trying to find something that I'm really obsessed with. As soon as I started being obsessed with using cream-based makeup products, this came out. This Fenty Beauty cream. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. The packaging is so cute. It has a little mirror. So I got the number 3 macchiato. I felt like this would be perfect for my skin color. I'm not going to do my whole face of makeup on here today. I just want to focus on this. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. I'll show you guys how that part is going to look and how it's going to apply on my skin. So I'll be right back after I apply my foundation. Okay guys, so I applied my foundation, put a little bit of concealer on, and now I'm ready to start with this. So there's no smell to this. It actually just has like a clean smell to it. If you guys are wondering, I know some people don't like products that have fragrance or a scent to them, and I really don't either, because I feel like you don't want a fragrance on your face. So I like when it has like a clean smell to it, and this actually does, so I'm happy about that. So okay, so with this, I'm going to try it with my beauty blender because I just want to see how it's going to look. If I don't really like how it's applying on my face, then I'll switch to a brush, but it is my first time, so you guys are going to be seeing, you know, how it looks. So I'm going to take my beauty blender that I used for my face. I cleaned it a little bit, so I'm just putting it some on. I feel like it's so pigmented, I could already tell. At the side. Ooh. That is so nice. I know I will like a product just from the first time I put it on my face. And I already know I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna just put it on like bronzer. You guys, oh my god, I love it. This is amazing. And it applied so nicely with a sponge. I know a lot of people don't actually use brushes. A lot of people do just like using their beauty blenders or sponges. So that's why I did it with this. I'm not gonna actually go in with my brush. I decided because I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to make it all like weird in there, and it's applying amazing with this. I mean, you guys, it's so pigmented. I'm just gonna, you guys can see like just with one, and you don't even need that much. I mean, I put a lot just to like see, but you don't even need that much. Oh my god, it's amazing. I'm not even kidding you guys. I'm obsessed. And every time I'm obsessed with a product, I will like be so annoying about it. You guys, this is so easy. Imagine you don't have to go in and contour, take a brush and like keep applying. So I feel like with a regular powdered bronzer, it takes so long to get your face to have color. Like you have to keep going back and forth, and it doesn't always show because you're putting it over like a powder and then it just blends in too much. But with like a cream base, you just put it wherever you want it to and it'll just like pop. Exactly like this one. I mean, I've never used one this amazing, you guys. It's so creamy. Especially in the summer, I feel like a lot of people don't want to use powder. They want to have that like nice summer glow. This is perfect for the summertime when you're just like want to get out of the house really quick, you know, you're going to the beach or you're going on a little boat party and you want some color. Just slap some of this on your, you know, your BB cream or your foundation, whatever you do, and you're literally all set to go. I know a lot of people are into that dewy look, as I was saying in the beginning of the video, and it's sometimes hard to achieve because there isn't so many products that you can avoid using like powder. For example, like you want to look dewy, but you also want to have like a nice bronzy color. This is definitely amazing for that. Okay guys, so after I finished bronzing up my cheeks, my forehead, and my lower jaw, I went in and put some of this ColourPop cream blush stick on my cheeks just for some color. And something I really wanted to try is putting this on my eyelid for some color. So I'm gonna do that with you guys. So I'm gonna actually go in with my finger. So I'm just going to put this all over my eyelid just for some color. And you guys can see that it just kind of goes with the rest of my face and it gives it some color. What do you guys think? Comment down below what you guys thought of this product, how you thought it applied. I honestly am so obsessed with it. I am never going to switch to anything else after using this. I'm definitely gonna go get her cream blushes for my cheeks. I cannot wait to try those too. This was definitely amazing. You have to try this if you're into cream makeup products, for sure. Like if you are that person, because I know not everybody is. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if there's any other makeup products that you guys want me to review. I will go buy them and review them for you guys. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next video.